So in this question, you're given that if mod of z plus 3 is less than or equal to 3, this is the given information. So if mod of z plus 3 is less than or equal to 3, you're asked to find the maximum and minimum value of mod of z plus 1. That is, you want to find some result which looks like this modulus of z plus 1 less than or equal to something greater than or equal to something. So if I can bring mod of z plus 1 between two numbers, so this will be the minimum value, this will be the maximum value of this expression. So how can I bring mod z plus 1 between two numbers? So whenever you're asked to find maximum and minimum values of a expression in complex numbers, most often we use triangular inequalities. So we know that mod of z plus 1 is equal to mod of z plus 3 minus 2. So I am trying to relate the expression that is given with some expression which I know. So modulus of z plus 1 can be written as mod of z plus 3 minus 2. Now what are the triangle inequalities that you have? Mod of z1 minus z2 will always be less than or equal to mod z1 plus mod z2, and this will always be greater than or equal to mod z1 minus mod z2 whole mod. So these are the results that we have learned in the topic of triangular inequalities. I'm trying to use this. So mod z plus 1 can be written as mod z plus 3 minus 2. This is a complex number, this is a complex number. So now mod of z plus 3 minus 2 will always lie between mod of z plus 3 plus modulus of 2 and mod of z plus 3 minus 2 whole mod. So if you take the first part of this inequality, if you take this part of the inequality, so mod of z plus 3 minus 2 is mod of z plus 1 is always less than or equal to. So you take what is the maximum possible value of this, because this side you want the maximum possible value. Modulus of z plus 3 can go up to 3. That is, modulus of z plus 3 lies between 0 and 3, right? So modulus of z plus 3 can take any value between 0 and 3. That means modulus of z plus 3 plus 2. Mod 2 is plus 2. So mod of z plus 3 plus 2 can take any value between 2 and 5. Now I want the maximum possible value. So I take 5 here. So modulus of z plus 1 has to be less than or equal to 5. Even if you have the maximum value of mod of z plus 3, this value cannot go beyond 5. So this will be the maximum value of mod of z plus 1. Now if you want the minimum value, let us go on to this side. So modulus of z plus 1 is always greater than or equal to modulus of mod of z plus 3 minus 2. So now mod of z plus 3 lies between 0 and 3. So what is mod of z plus 3 minus 2? Where does this lie? This lies between minus 2 and 1. It means this expression lies between minus 2 and 1. Minus 2 and 1. Now, if you take the mod of this expression lies between minus 2 and 1. So where does the mod of this lie? The mod of this lies between 0 and 2, right? Because 0 and 1, mod will be in between 0 and 1. 0 and minus 2, the mod will be in between 0 and 2. So effectively, this expression will lie between 0 and 2. So mod of z plus 1 it will always be greater than some number between 0 and 2. So if you want the least value, the least value goes till 0. So this implies mod of z plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0 always. Hence, 0 is the minimum value of this expression. 5 is the maximum value of this expression. So the answer is 5 and 0. Thank you.